Hi. We all need to track our links and know when somebody is actually clicking on them. And Builderall's got a really neat way of doing that. Let me show you how it's done. Let me shrink this down here. Okay, this is a page that I've built, and I've got a tracker on this button, but I want to put a tracker on this button that says they've clicked to order. So you come over here to the little sprockets and you click on that. And down at the bottom, it says Manage Action Counters. So you click on that. You see I've got two in here. I want to create a new one. And I'm going to call this one Click to Buy. And I'm going to save it. And save it again. Okay, now it's been saved. So I can close this. And I can close this. Now I come over here to this tab or button, and I'm going to right click on it, and under action there is a link here that says click analysis. I'm sorry, click on this one here. Hang on a second. Click on action, advanced options. Oh, I'm sorry, I had to click on click analysis. And then right here, there's a drop down, and there it says click to buy. And I click OK. So now when somebody clicks on this, they'll get, I'll come back and I'll show you how you see the results. So I'm going to save it and save again. And then let me open the web page. Okay, here I have the web page open, so I'm going to refresh it. It's going to load up, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click to order now. And it's going to take me to my login page to where somebody can actually buy the product. Now I'm back here in the editor, and just for giggles, I'm going to refresh this. Take a second to refresh. When you're recording, sometimes things are a little bit slower than what they are normally. Okay, it's loading the page. Okay, now I want to come down here and I want to see what the results are. So I come over here and click on Manage Action Counters again, and there's the click to buy. Okay, so come over here to the little our little magnifying glass, and you click on that, and it tells me I had one click and one view so far. So I know now that one person has clicked on the order page. So that's all there is for this one. See you next time. And as usual, don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to the channel. Just click the little buttons down below. Thank you.